Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cream lotion, full guide. Sanitize your workspace and gather precise measuring tools, water, oils, emulsifier, and a gentle preservative before you begin. Heat the water and oil phases separately to the correct temperature. Combine while mixing to form a stable emulsion, then cool and add actives and fragrance. Test pH and package in clean containers for safe storage and use. In this video, I will explain how to make cream lotion, full guide. Start by selecting oils, emulsifiers, humectants, and preservatives suited to your skin goals. Weigh everything precisely and organize into water and oil phases. Use an immersion blender for a smooth emulsion and maintain temperature control while combining phases. Cool gradually. Then add heat-sensitive ingredients and test pH before packaging into sanitized jars or pumps for daily use. In this video, I will review how to make cream lotion, full guide. If you're enjoying the tutorial, please subscribe and like to help me make more content you love. Quick recommendation. I keep Little Tree's black ice in my car for a pleasant scent between lab sessions, and it pairs humorously with DIY lotion routines. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make cream lotion, full guide. Begin by heating oil and emulsifier until clear, then heat the water phase to match. Pour the water into the oil slowly while blending steadily to form a creamy emulsion. Continue mixing as the mixture cools, then incorporate delicate actives and preservatives below 40 degrees C. Check pH and perform a small stability test before filling your final containers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.